Hey guys, just finishing up my final blaster boxes ever after at least a year of collecting, down to my last 4, and we just hit that. The Ultimate Issue 1 Blood Splatter, 45 out of 99. Beautiful, beautiful card. So I'm ripping the rest of these blasters. That one was bought by a customer. I sold him 2 boxes for 35 bucks. And that's what he hit. So good for him. So we're just finishing up, opening up some blaster boxes. Nobody's buying, so I'm ripping them open. But that's what they could have hit. That's at least a $1,200 to $1,500 card. At least. It's a Blood Splatter issue 1, so it's not even a regular issue 1. Regular, 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 relic, regular, regular, regular. Alright, here we go. Box number 2. My final blaster boxes. Donald starting with a relic. Amina starting with the Blood Splatter. That's good. Omni. Dupli. I'm ripping my own boxes. I asked if anybody wanted to buy any after the issue 1 was pulled. Nobody answered, so I'm ripping the rest of them. Look at that. But they're for sale for 30 bucks. I'd sell them for 25, but they're my final ones. I think I have 3 left. No. No, I made that mistake. Sold him 2 for 35 after he bought 2 for 40. I mean, yeah, 2 for 40, and they're usually 30 bucks a piece. Yeah. I should have just ripped him myself. That's alright. He earned it. Back in the day, I used to sell these for 15 bucks a box. I got them in the store for 30, but now I got a die cut. But these are the last ones, so I figured I'd open them myself. That's cool. Nice velocity. I got an uncut sheet like that. All velocities. Should see my uncut sheets, man. I got about 20 of them. Alright, let's go. Let's get me a issue 1. Wouldn't that be something? Alright, I mean, I already have one, but I've never pulled one. That's the first one I pulled, and it's a Blood Splatter. William, Darkwing, Rex, and the Maulers pop art. That's pretty cool. My final boxes, man, down to my final 3. Martian Man, Maulers, Shrinking, and Robot Rex. Yeah, bummer. I'll be opening them up. I'm not waiting. I was going to open them all up to begin with, and Ed came in and asked for some, and man, was he lucky. Oh, here's a Blood Splatter. Samantha, Rex, Eve. Hey, another one. Nice. Blood Splatter. Nice. Yeah, no, you don't have to be sorry. Sorry, YouTube. I'm running a live whatnot show as well as I'm opening these. So I wish I would have been running when I hit that, but I wasn't. So I figured I'd run a YouTube and whatnot together. Clone, the Mauler clone. All right, here's my relic. There we go. Isa, Dupla, Invincible, and hey, that's a cool one. Look at that. That's a cool one. Magnum. That's a cool relic. How cool is that? Yeah, that's a cool one. I like it. Awesome. All right. Do another one.